Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UVXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, this one's hanging in there, not looking as good as it was, but ultimately it is maintaining above some of these areas. But the first update I'm going to do is just adjust this level of support down to this $20 mark. Now that we have more data, it just makes more sense around that area. What do I mean? Well, if you look through the history of things back last week, you can see right there, generally speaking, $20 did a good job of holding. And then you fast forward to the opening 30 minutes with a gap down. And basically, as low as it went was that green line before the price got a nice little bounce, and then just pretty much went sideways the rest of the day. So from a bigger picture point of view, you can see the trend is still upwards. Yeah, this right now is a bigger pullback right here. Both in the grand scheme of, in fact, I could do this right there, draw it to where it all started, and we'll put the golf hole down there to make it a little bit more visual. But that would be a bull pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it. Now, just because a bullish pattern has formed does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to continue on upwards. All I'm saying is I don't think it would shock anybody to see this thing ultimately make another move back up to the $22, $23 range, if not even higher than that, based on this pattern here. But again, let me just reiterate, just because there is a bullish pattern, if only trading were that easy. If only trading were, hey, that's a bullish pattern, that means it's guaranteed to go up. But no, that's not quite how it works. But again, as far as, what would not be shocking to see, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price potentially break up to that level. But once more, that doesn't mean that's for sure going to play out like that. But if the price were to break out to the upside, then the levels that pertain are just the same areas I've talked about before, right up there around the $22 mark and then $23 mark. And then again, like I've already talked about, $20 is going to be that main level of support. But the week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.